Life is all about balance. That's the one thing we miss. We're so much about extremes as human beings. It's about you. It's about your hobbies. It's about your passion. It's about your work. It's about your husband or wife. It's about all of those things. So, yes.
That's relationship expert Dennis Vetrano Jr. On TikTok, he shares his experience as a divorce attorney and how to avoid the mistakes he's seen over and over and over again. Sometimes divorce is unavoidable, though, right? And around the holidays, it could really take a toll on not just you, but your children, too. Dennis is here now with some advice for how to avoid those misunderstandings and reduce any unnecessary conflict in a divorce. Good morning. Thanks for being with us.
Good morning. Good to be here.
You say the first tip here is to a healthy divorce is to prioritize the children. Tell us a little bit about how parents can do that.
Yeah, I mean, I think, for many of my clients, the top priority is the kids. And really, you know what? There's so many emotions swirling around with divorces. You just need to find a way to put those aside and understand you're working together to preserve as much of the mental and emotional family unit as you can post-split as you had as an intact family.
How important is it to seek professional guidance in a divorce? And are we speaking like a therapist or a mediator?
Yeah, I mean, I think it's super important to assemble a team anytime you're going through the divorce case. And I think, that team will necessarily include, number one, friends you can really trust in a pinch. And number two, therapists. They're probably the most important piece, the most important professional you can include in your team. And the reason why is because with divorces, the thing that really makes them so difficult, much more than any other area of law, is you have law involved with emotions. And you want to try to temper those emotions down. And that's where your therapist comes in and can really help you out.
I know a lot of people say it's important for the kids to go see a therapist as well. You say it's important to focus on well-being. What does that look like?
Well, I mean, I think with the divorce process, look, it's one of the top 4 things that people fear most in their entire life. Death is one of them, of course, and actually divorce is like number 2. So here's the thing, take it easy on yourself. I have a piece that I put together that said, look, as you're going through the divorce process, have coffee with a friend, dance, love, sing. Get back to those, the things that really make you, you, like a hobby that you haven't really touched in a while. If you want to play guitar, play guitar. If you want to take, salsa lessons, take salsa lessons. Just remember, during the process, don't leave yourself out of this situation. Take it easy on yourself and be good to yourself.
Yeah, do something that brings you joy. I'm sure you've seen a lot. I'm imagining chainsaws, halving paintings. Any advice for people who want to have a peaceful, healthy divorce?
I think the key to a peaceful, healthy divorce is, like I said before, just remember that emotions are running super high. I always say to clients, you're typically 3 personality degrees away from your baseline as you're going through that divorce process. So just keep that in mind and understand that getting your emotions under control, being in tune with what you're going through is the major piece, the first piece to keeping your divorce workable and hopefully amicable as you go through the process. I had a case many years ago where at the settlement table, my client's looking across the table at the other client, and we're having a conversation, and the other client says, hey, I just went in for this surgery. It was really serious. My client looked him dead in the eye and says, oh, really? I wish you'd died. And that is not the situation that you want to be in. And those are the cases that become really contentious. And you know what they cost you? They cost you time, money. And aggravation. So really, get the emotions under control, get your arms around them early, assemble your team, put your kids first, and hopefully that'll make for a really peaceful divorce, especially as you're going through it in the holiday season.
All keys to navigating a healthy divorce. Dennis, you're awesome, man. Thanks for being with us.
Good to be here.